Electric cars, the future of transportation or the latest economic bubble? The world is buzzing about these zero-emission vehicles, but is the hype justified? The electric vehicle market is on fire. Sales are soaring, and every major automaker is racing to introduce new electric models. But beneath the glossy exterior, a complex reality is emerging. Let's talk costs. Electric cars, while becoming more affordable, still carry a premium price tag compared to their gasoline-powered counterparts. This is largely due to the high cost of batteries, the core component of any EV. Battery technology is improving, but it's a long road to achieving the energy density and cost efficiency needed for mass adoption. The availability and price of critical minerals like lithium and cobalt are also major factors influencing battery costs. Charging infrastructure is another major challenge. While there's been progress, many areas still lack sufficient charging stations. Long wait times and inconsistent charging speeds are common complaints among EV owners. The environmental impact of electric cars isn't as clear-cut as it seems. While emissions from tailpipes are reduced, the production of batteries in electric cars themselves requires significant energy, often generated from fossil fuels. The question remains, can the EV market sustain this rapid growth? With rising production costs, infrastructure challenges, and potential consumer fatigue, there's a risk of an oversupply and a subsequent market correction. Electric cars are undoubtedly part of the future of transportation. However, the path to mass adoption is filled with obstacles. Overcoming these challenges will require significant investments in technology, infrastructure, and consumer education. Until then, the electric car revolution may be more of a marathon than a sprint.